think about Midlands Tech, we're in the dream-making business, right? I would argue we're not even in the education business. We are in the dream-making business.
Workforce development is our mission at Midlands Technical College. Every day we work to ensure that students are gaining the skills and credentials and hands-on experience that they need.
Thank you to Midlands Technical College for working with us to really design something that works for our business and allows our folks to be successful.
I want to be an electrician, journeyman. I want to get my license. I want to start my own company. And yeah, it all started with Midlands Tech.
It's been truly, honestly magical. I really found a community here at Midlands.
Really, every Maverick matters, and every Maverick has stepped up on campus to ensure that students see that we're here, that we care.
Midlands Tech is a very integral part of my life. This has just been a mind-blowing experience.
Well, Midlands Tech has been honestly one of the best decisions that I've made in a long time. I know that what I do here will prepare me for what comes next.
I have learned so much more than what I could ever imagine.
All the skills I was learning in that degree, each class, I was bringing it here back to work, and I was able to use each class to see the different components.
Without Midlands Tech, I would not be able to do any of the things I'm doing right now. So this school has changed my life.